So, Jai Hind friends, today we will discuss about the rank structure of the Indian Army. So, we will discuss of non-commissioned officer, junior commissioned officer, which is known as JCOs, and the commissioned officers. So, we will start from the non-commissioned officers. So, guys, we can see the first rank that can that known as the Sepoy, which is the first rank of the Indian Army. After the Sepoy, there is the rank Lance Nayak. After a person who is Lance Nayak will become Nayak, then Havaldar. So these four are the non-commissioned officers. Now talking about the junior commissioned officer. So Naib Subedar, the person who is Havaldar will be promoted as a Naib Subedar and he will become junior commissioned officer. So Naib Subedar will be promoted as Subedar and Subedar will be promoted as the Subedar Major. So these all three are the junior commissioned officers. Now we will talking about the commissioned officers. So these all are the commissioned officers. And now, have you ever listened about the NDA CDS 10 plus 2 entries? So after the clearing SSB interview, they will become they will join the army as a commissioned officer. So the cadet firstly become lieutenant. This is 2-star rank. Like you can see the insignia of the lieutenant 2-star, and the second one is captain, and the insignia of the captain is 3-star ranks. The captain will be promoted as a major. Major has one national emblem on his shoulder. Then major will be promoted as lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, and general. The rank held by chief of the army staffs. And now the lieutenant colonel's insignia is 1-star and one national emblem. Colonel has 2-star and one national emblem. Brigadier has one national emblem and 3 stars. Now talking about Major General's insignia. So now we can see 1 star and 2 cross swords like dagger, and the Lieutenant General one national emblem and one cross dagger, and the General one national emblem, 1 star and one cross dagger. So the most senior, which is known as the honorary rank of the Indian Army, that is Field Marshal. Till now, only two persons are the Field Marshals. One is Shem Manekshaw and second is Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa. Recently, a movie was released on the base of Field Marshal Shem Manekshaw. So now talking about the Field Marshal Shem Manekshaw, first Indian Armed Forces to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal, which was the Shem Manekshaw. He led the Indian Army in the liberation of Bangladesh in December 1971 war. So he was promoted as the first Field Marshal. This is a honorary rank. So now talking about the second person who got the honorary rank, that is Field Marshal, who was K.M. Cariappa. The full form of K.M. Cariappa is Kondandera M. Cariappa. So he was the first commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. Generally, on 15th January 1949, the K.M. Cariappa, I write 15 January 1949, K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. Like after the independence, Sir Francis Butcher was the commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. He gave his the command to the K.M. Cariappa on 15 January 1949. That's why every year we celebrate Indian Army Day on 15 January. So, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa was the first commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. He led the Indian Army in Kashmir in Indo-Pak War of 1947. He was made Field Marshal by the government in his 1986 year on 14 January 1986. So friends, this was all about the rank structure of the Indian Army. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.